Is your Windows 11 PC running slow? Taking forever to boot? Apps opening late? Don't worry. Today we're covering over 10 tips that will make your PC faster without spending a single rupee on new hardware. Watch till the end. Some really useful tips are coming up. Tip number 1. Restart your PC regularly. When you restart, Windows clears temporary files from memory and closes background processes that were silently using resources. If you never shut down your PC, restart it at least once every few days. Tip number 2. Keep Windows 11 updated to the latest version. Microsoft regularly releases updates that fix bugs and improve performance. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for updates. Tip number 3. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Click the Startup Apps tab, and right-click on apps you don't need to disable them. Only keep essential apps like your antivirus enabled at startup. Tip number 4. Free up disk space. Windows needs free space to run smoothly. Try to keep at least 15 to 20% of your drive empty at all times. Tip number 5. Turn on Storage Sense. Go to Settings, System, Storage, and toggle on Storage Sense. It automatically deletes temporary files and old downloads for you. Tip number 6. Run Disk Cleanup. Search for Disk Cleanup in the Start menu, select your C drive, and click Clean Up System Files. This removes junk files and cache in seconds. That was the first 6 tips. In part 2, we'll cover visual effects, power plans, background apps, and hardware upgrades. Like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next part. Let's move on to the rest of the tips that will make your Windows 11 even faster. Tip number 7. Turn off visual effects and animations. Search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows in the Start menu and select Adjust for best performance. Your desktop will look simpler, but the speed boost is noticeable. Tip number 8. Adjust your power plan. Go to Settings, System, Power, and select Best Performance Mode. If you're on a laptop, do this while it's plugged in. Tip number 9. Disable background apps. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, and for apps you don't need running in the background, set their permissions to Never. Tip number 10. Remove bloatware and unused apps. New PCs often come with apps you never use. Uninstall them to free up storage, memory, and startup time. Tip number 11. Update your drivers. Outdated graphics or network drivers can cause slowdowns. Update them through Device Manager or your manufacturer's website. Tip number 12. Run a malware scan. Use Windows Security to run a full scan and make sure nothing is silently eating your system resources in the background. Now, if your PC is still slow after all these software tips, it's time for a hardware upgrade. Switching to an SSD makes the biggest